Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this video, we will be discussing how to create AI generated YouTube videos. AI generated videos are become more popular as the technology advances. They are a great way to create unique and engaging content without having to spend our filming and editing. So let's dive into the step on how to make AI generated YouTube video. I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm open a browser, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write to find out the article or the content. So what I'm gonna do, I'm use the writer, the website, and here when I click over here, the writer, the best AI writer, content generator and writing assistant. So click over there. Then in the writer you can see their website. So writer is an AI writing assistant that helps you creating high quality content in just few seconds at a fraction of the cost. So let me start it. So I'm start with the start writing and click over that, and here it's asked you to please log in or create your writer account. So I'm gonna use the continue with Google, and let me choose one of my account from them. Okay, so here it says the welcome, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the languages and select the tone and the use of the case. So I'm gonna use these languages, English, then use this one. Okay, let me just select a use case. So what I'm gonna use, so I'm gonna use block section writing because I'm going to use the content writing. So click on that, and here is the section topic, what you are doing, what you are looking for. Let me roll of AI writers in the future of copywriting. So I'm gonna use the example, like if I say the bird, and then section keyword, what kind of section keyword do you want to use, like AI writer, block generator based writing software. So I'm gonna use the like flying, I can say the food, this one. Okay, let me finish it. Then now the number of variants. So what variant do you want? Like there are few options. You can use the 1 variant, 2 variants and 3 variants, so whatever you want. So I'm just going to choose the 2 variants. Okay, then let me click on the write for me. Just clicking here, then it's writing for me the content, and here it says the bird are the some of the most amazing creature on the earth. They have the unique ability of flying, sure, blah 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 blah. You can see here the flying, then next is the foods, here the content, so you can use. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the another website for create a video with this content or the article. So what I'm gonna do, click and use the factory AI. I just use this website, and here you can see the picture and use this one. And here just what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the like this is the video creation made easy. So you have to just log in with the free trial version. I'm using the free trial version. Let me click on that free trial. Then it asks you for start your free trial, so you can use continue with Google account. So let me click one of them. Okay, so here you can see the account is open. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the script to videos, article to video. I'm gonna use start typing or copy paste your script. So I'm gonna use with the pursuit here, click on that. Then what I'm gonna do, I'll just copy this script, then take it to here. Let me paste in here, Ctrl B. Then I'm going to use the pursuit it, then here just click on that. Here you can see the template is the a combination of style and branding, and it can be easily edited under the respective tabs in storyboard. So you can choose one of them. So let me just choose from them. I'm gonna use like this one, like the sunrise template. Let me click on this one and choose as the aspect ratio. So I'm going to use for video making, so I'm going to use this one and use the continue. It's taking me to storyboard being creating. Please wait while the video storyboard is creating. Here now you can see it's with the background and it's with the content Here, birds are the some of the most amazing creature on earth. The picture did the scene and he make the video for you. So it's about the bird. So you can use this one. Now just use the voices. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the audio. Click on that, and here you can use the background music. So I'm gonna use the background of them. Let me click one background, like you can hear it first, this one, or you can use a different one. Let me just choose one of them. Okay, for now I'm going to use this one. Let me click on the apply, and now it's applied for the first scene. So it's now saved, and you can do as usual, like there is few scene you can use here, like you can find the 11 scene in here. So you can use for each scene, for each background sound you can choose from here, and you can use for the each slide. So what can you do, you can just easily choose from here and use for your slide. Okay, then next thing, what can you do, I'm gonna use the voiceover here, or before that you can also use the duration. So for background music you can use the 2 minutes or more, whatever you like. Just click on that and use the, like if I want for 6 minutes the background, so you can use, let me click the 6 minute for music, then hit on the apply. Then I'm gonna use the voice. So here's the few voice you can use from them, and you can choose from them, or you can filter it, like go to the mail and you can use the voice. So let me just take it,
Welcome to Pictory.
this one,
It has been
or
Welcome to Pictory.
whatever you like.
Welcome to Pictory. It has
Let
been
me
shown that
choose one
video
of them,
increase- Welcome to
this one,
Pictory.
and
It has
just
been shown
apply
that
it,
video increases
this
conversion
one,
rate by 80%.
and is applied to for the second scene. So you can use for the another scene like the first one as usual, and you can use them. Then you can also use your voice here from drag and drop file, or browse from your computer, you can choose from them. Then you can preview it before you download it. It will take some time for preparing video preview. Let me wait for some time
Birds are some of the most amazing creatures on earth.
here. So it's done for the first scene, so you can use the next one. Now you can see in the estimated video duration, it say the 1 minute 22 seconds, so you can see that. Now I'm going to use the preview, click on that, and now it's a preparing video preview for our slide deck.
Birds are some of the most amazing creatures on earth.
So now you
They
can
have the
see
unique
that
ability to
it's
fly
not
and
done
soar through the
with
air
the preview.
grace and agility.
Here you can
In
see
addition to this,
the
they
our
also have a wide
video
variety of
AI
dietary
created,
habits.
and it's now
Insects to small mammals, birds can eat a huge range of food items.
it's now
This makes
working.
them an incredibly
So
diverse
you can
species
see
that
now.
can be found all over the world.
Okay, now I'm going to just post
Birds
it.
are fascinating creatures that have been around for millions of years.
I'm
Birds are some
using
of the
the
most
free
amazing
version.
creatures.
So for this reason I cannot download it. You can upgrade from here. Also you can upgrade your version. You can use your credit for more videos and more credit. For now I'm just doing the cancel it. I cannot generate it because I don't have the credit. I have only the few credits, so just I'm showing you how to do that. So it's very easy and very fantastic to do with the Pictory and with the writer for your any content or any kinds of thing. Okay, so creating a generative YouTube videos is an excellent way to create unique and engaging content without having to spend hours filming and editing. By following these steps, you can create high quality videos that align with your branding and style. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI related content.